Today, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to blur a face in a video. First thing you need to do is to make sure you have CapCut installed on your PC or mobile. So once there, double click on it, open the CapCut. Once there, all you need to do is click on New Project. The next step is to import your video. So once you see this video there, you can bring it to your timeline. So what we need to do is to blur this face when we play the video. To do that, you need to click on Effect on the top if you use the desktop version of CapCut. Then select Body Effect. Then select Mask. Now you can see there's one called Face Mosaic. Just click on it and bring it to the timeline. So now you can see there's a face mosaic on the timeline. Make sure you drag it to cover the whole video. So now when I play this video, you can see the face is pixelated, but you can make some adjustment there. Say you want to increase the size. You can see now the face is totally blurred. That is what I want. Now you can preview the video. If you get satisfied with that level of the pixelation, then you can export the file. Click on the export on the top, then click on export. Now you're done.